Okay, so first of all, on the recording, before I even start, today's date, 12/5/18, okay? Now, we did this in our introduction. We know that we're looking at rhombuses, or rhombi, rectangles, and squares. They are all three parallelograms. Because they're parallelograms, they have all of the same characteristics as our parallelograms, right? We don't need to relist all of these because we know these are true. So all of the characteristics of a parallelogram go with rhombuses, rectangles, and squares. They are parallelograms. Opposite sides are parallel, correct? Now, however, a rhombus has some unique ones. Diagonals are perpendicular, 90, and they bisect the opposite angles. It cuts them in half, cuts them in half, cuts them in half, cuts them in half, okay? Now, a rectangle, again, is a parallelogram, but what makes a rectangle unique? 4 right angles, and the diagonals are indeed congruent, same length. Now, if a square is a rectangle and a rhombus, it's going to have all of those characteristics. A square is a rhombus, it's also a rectangle, right? So it's going to have the diagonals that are perpendicular, diagonals that bisect each other, and we know the diagonals are congruent, okay? Thumbs up, right? Now, let's take that information and let's use it. So first of all, let's go straight to problem number 3, okay? So in exercise 3 through 5, the diagonals of rhombus ABC intersect at E. So first of all, I'm going to circle rhombus so I know what the heck I'm looking at, okay? It's a rhombus, okay? Given that angle BCA, BCA is 44 degrees, and AB is 9, and AE is 7, okay? Now, here's what we know. Since it's a rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular, and diagonals bisect opposite angles, right? We know that. So let's put that information in. So I know this. This is 44. This is 44. This is 90, because they are perpendicular, okay? This is 44. This is also 44. And this is also 44, okay? Now, what else do we know? Well, I know that because it's a parallelogram, these two angles are supplementary. A plus D, angle A plus angle D equals 180 degrees, right? Or A plus B is 180, right? Or B plus C is 180, or C plus D is 180. So we should be able to find angle D by going 88 plus angle D equals 180, right? So if I subtract 180, what is that? 92. 180 minus 88 is 92. So angle D is 92 degrees. Okay, now, if I go to angle D, we know, thanks to Quinn or Ava, that you get cut in half, right? Those angles got bisected. So if I take 92 and divide that by 2, right, I get 46. So I know that I can put 46 degrees here and 46 here. Makes sense? Now from there, this is also 46 and that's also 46, right? So let's go ahead. Should be easy. Oh, there's more. There's more. It's a rhombus. 9, 9, 9. Capiche, right? That's easy. It's a rhombus, 9, 9, 9 all the way around. Okay, Grace? Josiah, I know you guys are listening. Of course you are. So BC, what's BC? That's easy. BC is 9, right? 9. AC, well that's easy. AC, oh, AC is the diagonal, right? So what's AC all the way across?
14.
Yep, 14. And angle ADC. ADC is my 92 degrees. Pretty simple. Okay. Okay, let's slide ourselves up to number 6. Let's take a look at this. So it's a rectangle. Okay? It's a rectangle. So what do we know? Well, if this is 31 degrees here, then this angle's got to be 59. How did I get 59 there?
This is the right angle.
Perfect. If this is 31, this is 31, and this is also 59. Okay, does that make sense? These angles are equal. These angles are equal. Okay, it has to make 90. Okay, I know that HFG is 31. They tell and EG, that's all the way across. EG is 17. Okay, so 17 here for the whole thing. So that means HF's also got to be 17, right? So let's figure it out. FHG. FHG. Hey, we already got it. 59, right? 59 degrees. HF, yeah, 17. They're equal. 17. And EFH, we already know that. It's 59. Okay, I'm going to do one more and I'll be done. Let's do the last one and we'll be done, okay? All right. So, it's a square, right? Given that MK is 1/2. MK is 1/2. So that means PK is also got to be a half. You guys agree with that? Okay. Now, so find PK. Well, that's easy. PK is 1/2, right? Angle PKN. PKN. What's this angle right here? It's got to be 90 degrees. It's got to be 90 degrees. Great. It is a rhombus. It doesn't look like a rhombus, but it is a rhombus, right? And we know that they are perpendicular here, so 90 degrees. And I'll put the little thing in there, okay? And then angle MNN, MNK is 45. It has to be 45. You guys agree with that? 45 degrees. Great question. So, Zoe, if it's 90 here, right?
Oh, it has to equal
180, right? And I know these two angles have to be equal, right? So it's going to be 45, 45. Good question. Okay, so that's all I have. Pretty simple. We still have some work to do.